sad. I don't know why, but I just am. And I really don't know why. Did I even introduce this vlog? I don't even think so. Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your host, Francesca. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe if you want to. This is a really like down video, to be honest. I woke up this morning and I just was not happy. Well, the first thing I wasn't happy about was my new job. I was supposed to get paid today. Logs on to Wells Fargo, no money. Same balance from yesterday, which was nothing. So my manager had already told me that she was going to be on PTO today and Monday. So of course she didn't answer my email when I reached out to her. So I called HR. Apparently, since it's been a whole issue with me doing my onboarding for the company, my bank information that I sent with my little information that I was supposed to be filling out when they sent me the email to register never got processed in the system. So they had to send me a paper check, which I don't know when I'm going to get that. Probably not today. She said she sent it out Wednesday and it's still coming from somewhere in South Carolina, but yeah, I probably won't get it until like Saturday. Probably. Maybe Monday. I don't know if the mail runs on Sunday. It might. I don't know. So after that, what you seen in the last clip, I made some breakfast. Then I went to Ulta and Target to spend money I don't have. Just because I was feeling blah, which I need to stop doing because I'm moving in a few months. And I need to be saving every penny I get, because when it's time to buy that furniture and decorate that house, I ain't going to do it. I already know I'm not going to want to do it. But anyway, so we're going to do a little haul. My camera about to die already. I still have not ordered the my lights to do my sit down videos and extra batteries off Amazon. I'm gonna do that. You know what? I'm gonna do that after I finish recording this, because if I order it today, it could be here by Sunday. Okay, like I was saying, Ulta. I bought more of the Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toning Solution. So I originally bought this for my face, for my hyperpigmentation, my face and my neck. But a lot of people, well, half the people I seen was saying that, you know, it works wonders. And the other half was saying that it was too strong for their face because they have sensitive skin. And I have sensitive skin, so I didn't even try to use it on my face. I was just looking up other reasons to use it, and they were saying like it's good for you, like if you have a lot of dandruff, to do like a put it on your head like 30 minutes before you're about to wash your hair, and it helps with that over time. What else they said? What else I've been using it on? Oh, the biggest one, under your arms. If you spray it, I spray it under my arms after I shower, and I don't need deodorant. Like, I wear deodorant if I'm going out. And when I say going out, I mean like I'm gonna be out more than like 3 hours. If I'm like going to Target or something and coming home, I'm not wearing deodorant, because you will not smell yourself at least 24 hours. So I really like this. And the most recent use, I started like spraying it on my feet after I get out of the shower. Like when I'm in the shower, you know, I scrub my feet with a pumice stone, and then after I spray the glycolic acid on there, I put Vaseline on my feet, and then I put a sock on my feet, and it helps your feet be not so like dry, because my feet be rough sometimes, and I have not found no solutions. But this seems like it's working. I've only used it for like 3 days, and I can honestly tell the difference. So I'm definitely going to keep stocked up on this, because this seemed like this that girl for a lot of stuff. They must have an overflow of nails, because they put some of the Kiss nails on sale. I always get the real short. Yeah, nothing special. Nothing special at all. But yeah, I like these. I got another, this is a Morphe 173 Chubby Buffer Concealer Brush. I bought this, was that last week? Last week or the week before last, 'cause I know I used it the last time I did my makeup, and that was like last Wednesday. And I really like this. I tried to find a cheaper one. This was only $10, but I did try to find a cheaper one, and it wasn't measuring up. So I bought another one of these, and I'm gonna use this for like my pressed concealer, and then the other one I use just to blend my regular concealer. So that's definitely a go-to. I got this Bare Minerals liquid concealer in the color dark/deep 5.5C, because I am a cool undertone. Y'all, when I say, I did the, like, you know, the little spots in the store just to test and see if it was gonna be a good color compared to the other one that I had tried that I thought was gonna be my color, and it was actually like a little yellow. I hate something with a yellowish undertone because it just does not look good when I do my makeup. Like, it looks bad. But this right here, I've never seen nobody talk about this brand. Well, not any black people. I've never seen nobody talk about this brand, but when I put this on, this that girl. This that girl. When I do, the next time I do my makeup, I'm gonna use this and take some pictures, but this is what it looked like out the package. Of course it don't want to focus. Of course. Well, it's not gonna focus, but I'll let you see in a little swipe on my hand. It's like creamy and perfect. Like, it is the perfect color. Yeah, so this, I got a feeling I'm gonna be rocking with this one for a while, because I had went back to my LA Girl Beautiful Bronze, because I could not find anything that I liked as much as that one. Like, I've tried so many concealers, and they just, I'll start off loving it, and then like something will happen with the color. I don't know if they be old already when I buy them, and then, you know, when you actually open it and start getting some air to it or something, and it just be going haywire. But I feel like this one is gonna be good. Next, I was supposed to be getting the NYX lip gloss that went viral for being a dupe for the Rihanna lip gloss. I'm sorry, Riri, love you. I bought a Savage X Fenty underwear and stuff, but I wasn't paying $30 for that lip gloss. I'm sorry, I couldn't do it. So I was gonna get that. That was like $8.50. And then I seen the butter gloss, and I seen this color, and I was like, oh, this is super pretty. I was like, let me try this. And this is the first one is the Lava Cake. It is so pretty. It's like a deep, deep chocolate. So pretty. That's gonna look real cute with like a little neutral look. And then the second one is Fudge Me. And that is, you can barely see it, but it's the one on the top, and I really like that too. So I just got these two because I never tried the butter glosses. I'm not usually somebody who does a lot on the lips. Really, all I do is gloss, and I usually use just whatever I have seen at the hair store. But I said I was gonna try these two, and I think they're gonna work well, so we'll see. So that's all I got from Ulta. Y'all, this little bit of stuff was like originally $74, and I had like a $5 off coupon that they sent in my email. That's crazy for somebody that's broke. So next, I went to Target, of course, just for the vibes. I was looking for those sweatpants that Kyra was talking about, and I found some wide-leg sweatpants that was like $20, but it didn't look like the ones that she was talking about that she got from that was like a dupe for her Aritzia ones, because the ones I seen, they seemed like they was a little too thin, like, and they didn't have any lining. It looked more like pajama pants, so I didn't get them. But like I was telling you before with the glycolic acid that you can use for your hair, I got some Head and Shoulders Dandruff Defense Dry Scalp Rescue. So I said I wanted to try this out, and it smells good. It says it is with Manuka honey, because if I take this head off, baby, it's gonna be flakes everywhere. Flakes everywhere. And I'm sick of it. Like, I cannot go more than, it seemed like on that 4th day, my hair, it'll start flaking a little bit, and it's like overnight. I promise you, like 5th day on, it's so, I can't do my hair. Like, I can't. I have to wash it. That's the only way. Oh, please don't die on me. That's the only way it's gonna work. So let me speed through this, because I do not want this battery to die. So I got these shorts, these white shorts. They were $6, nothing special. Got little pockets on the back, and it's from A New Day. I got this off the clearance rack, of course. I got these Sonia Cashew brushes, these blender brushes. I usually use the big one that says for your body, which I don't know what you would be using it for, but I decided to get that one since it come with 3, and I wanted to use it for my under eye and like foundation. I got these black shorts. Again, nothing special, just some regular black shorts. These was $7.50. I feel like these should have been like $5, but yeah, these were $7.50. And then I got these green shorts. These are just like stuff to wear around the house. And these were $7.50 too. Again, nothing special. But I just need more like around the house stuff. I am going to probably be making a big Fashion Nova order, because I still haven't forgive Shein for that shit they put on my birthday. So I'm still not ordering from them. Maybe next year. But yeah, I need some like lounge clothes. I don't know. And it seemed like not Forever 21. It seemed like Fashion Nova don't have a lot of lounge stuff either. Like, they have 2-piece sets, but they don't really have stuff that I'm looking for just to wear around the house. Like, I don't need something that got my boobs out and like tie up with some tight ass pants. Like, no, I'm just looking for like a cute t-shirt and some cute like wide leg pants to throw on every morning, like, you know, because I work from home and I don't be wanting to wear my night clothes, because that just puts me in a mood. Like, it bring me down, and I want to, you know, get up, do my skincare, put on some clothes, and, you know, look semi-decent even if I'm around the house. So yeah, like I said, this camera's about to die and I want to watch TikTok. So I'll talk to y'all later.